Hello. Unusual video today, not the usual hypnosis, hypnotherapy stuff that I normally talk about. I wanted to make a video showing you how to make a wind gag for one of these little headphone mics that I use for recording the sound.
Wow.
So I've been trying to make more content for my YouTube channel just recently. I've been going out making videos about all sorts of different things. I've been having a consistent problem with the sound on my phone, so I started using one of these, it's basically just the mic that, you know, hands-free kit that came with the phone. And so as a tip from one of my friends, I started using that as the mic. Works great indoors, but I went walking in the countryside around here, and every time, even with a light breeze, I was getting a blowout on the mic sound, so it was unusable. So there's some lovely countryside around here, but I couldn't go and record videos anywhere in it unless it was a really still day, because the wind would just make the sound awful. With a microphone, you've got what's known as a diaphragm, which is a piece of plastic normally, that when sound vibration hits it, it vibrates and wobbles, and it creates a little electrical signal that the device, the phone, the mixing desk, whatever it is that you're putting the mic into, it interprets as a sound, and it records that sound and reproduces it over speakers. When you go out in the wind, that little diaphragm gets blown about so hard that it blows the sound out. Essentially, it makes it so that you can't really hear the sound that you want to get, because the sound of the mic being blown about, the diaphragm being blown about, is so strong that you're not picking up the sound that you want. So traditionally, people have made a thing or used a thing called a wind gag. TV ones are known as dead cats. It's like a big grey tube, like a furry grey tube that sometimes pops down into the screen. There's all sorts of other variations, normally made from foam rubber. You see them in radio studios. They have these the sort of bright coloured foam around the microphone that stops some of the wind noise from the DJ's mouth, so they can get that nice big thick sound without blowing the mic out. So I started thinking about how to make a homemade wind gag. What could I do to because you can't buy, as far as I've been able to find, you can't buy a wind gag for your hands-free kit. So I started looking around for materials I could use just to wrap around this mic. So I'm going to show you exactly what I've done and how it's worked, and it's working great. So have a look at this. So I called in at a local jeweller's and I told them that I was after some grey foam like this for making a wind gag out of, and they were more than happy to give me a piece this size. So this is really easy to cut. If you've got a nice sharp knife like this, it's really easy to cut. Like that. And just cut a block like that. There we go. And then cut a slice into it like that, about halfway, so it's about halfway through, and the mic fits perfectly into that gap there. It's probably going to go a bit weird as I pick up the mic to demonstrate the sound. But you'll see the mic fits perfectly in there. You'll see there's a black dot on the mic, and there will be on a lot of them on one side, not on the other, and that's where the actual mic is. So ideally you want to face that black dot into the foam, so that the microphone is completely surrounded by the foam. So here we are on Sudbury's fantastic water meadows, and there's quite a breeze blowing, so if you can't hear that, which I'm assuming you can't, that means that we have a very good wind gag built for next to nothing. So thank you for watching the video. Thanks for checking in and having a look. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos, mostly about hypnosis, hypnotherapy, but also about other interesting things that I stumble across and think might just make interesting videos. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.